Hi, I'm Jeff Baker, and I'm a graduate assistant athletic trainer at Gardner-Webb University. I work in the Gardner-Webb University Football Center athletic training room.
Hi, my name's Hannah Herman. I'm also a graduate assistant athletic trainer, and I also work in the Football Center athletic training room.
Just a little overview of the facility. We treat the student athletes of Gardner-Webb University of the football, softball, wrestling, men's soccer, cheer, women's lacrosse, and women's swim teams, which is approximately 300 of the athletes at Gardner-Webb. On average, our hours are usually 9 to 5, and the services provided to these athletes are the medical management and treatment of orthopedic injuries. Um, Athletic trainers work to prevent, evaluate, and rehabilitate injuries. We also manage illnesses, do drug testing, and perform pre-participation exam or physical exams.
So, for our facility images, the first image is kind of the walk in view of our athletic training room. The second image is an image of our athletic or our rehab room. The third image is an image of our treatment tables, and the fourth image is an image of the taping tables.
So there are recommendations and requirements for sports medicine facilities. Um, we looked at the ones named within our administration book for athletic training. Um, the facility should be designed with ergonomic considerations for athletes and staff. Um, they should be ADA accessible. Um, Considerations include electrical, plumbing, lighting. Um, just for example, the electrical outlets. You want to include, you want to have ground fault interrupters or GFIs, and when they're in the wet room, you want them about 4 feet above the ground. Um, Treatment tables, the athletes should be able to get up onto them pretty easily, and they should be about 3 feet in between them. Lighting, it's good to utilize natural light if you're able to, but otherwise the requirements are, illumination through 30 to 50 foot candles. The foot candles is just a way to um, like measure illumination or lighting. Um, there are also specialized function areas within the athletic training room that all have, different requirements. So when looking at our facility, we identified two potential risks. The first being athletic trainers are HIPAA compliant. It's required that we lock up our student athletes' medical files that we keep in a secured locked filing cabinet. The ones within the Gardner-Webb Football Center athletic training facility are not locked. We lock the facility, but we don't actually lock the cabinets. Um, so that's the potential issue there. So the way to fix that would be to, potentially purchase new cabinets or keep them behind another locked door.
The second potential risk that we found was there's no direct sight line from the general treatment area to the rehab room. So basically, the athletes that are in the rehab room, if you're not back there with them, they have no direct supervision. And really, the only way to correct that is to stay with them at all times or have them move to the general treatment area to do their rehab.
So, like I said, we were only able to identify those two risks. Kevin Jones, who's been the head athletic trainer at Gardner-Webb for 34 years, going on 35, he actually designed the facility to meet all the their sports medicine facility requirements and recommendations. So there's really not a lot of risk um, to the staff or the athletes, just a couple we identified. He's done a great job at, I guess you could call it preventative law. Um, He identifies the risks early and, addresses them as such. Just his methods and the way he goes about things. If anything comes up potentially risk-wise, he just takes care of it.